Hey Amazon sellers, let's talk conversions, not just clicks. Amazon PPC can be a powerful tool, but it's crucial to understand what drives its success, CPC and the cost of each ad click. Today, we'll crack the CPC code and show you how to optimize it for maximum profits. What is CPC in Amazon PPC? Imagine someone clicks your ad. That's a click. Now, imagine how much you paid for that click. That's your CPC. The lower your CPC, the more clicks become paying customers, boosting your profits. How is CPC calculated? The formula is simple: total ad spend, total clicks, CPC. But factors like fierce competition, seasonal trends, product type, and even your bidding strategy can inflate your CPC, draining your ad budget. Whether you're a seller or a marketer, you can counter these negative factors by spiking your cost per click. Conduct thorough keyword research. Find relevant, low-competition keywords to attract the right audience without breaking the bank. Maximize your campaign performance by regularly reviewing your campaigns, adjusting bids, and ditching unproductive or negative keywords. Optimize all your product listing by making your listings shine with high-quality images, compelling descriptions, and positive reviews. Strong listings attract organic clicks, reducing reliance on paid ads. Hire a PPC management partner. Consider an experienced Amazon PPC agency. They'll be your advertising heroes, optimizing your ads for maximum impact and conversions. Book a consultation with one of our seasoned PPC experts today and let them handle your ads while you focus on selling.